Hey everybody, welcome to week 12. Hard to believe, but we are already there into November. And so this week's assignment is going to be crafting the outline for your argumentative essay. And I just want to touch base about this because the outline is a crucial component of developing a well-organized and solid final essay. So here you'll see there's an outline assignment and template, and when you click on that, it will bring up this PDF, has directions, and then it has an outline template. And what I want to be sure that you notice is that there's a couple options. So I offer this first outline, which is the intro, the background, and then presenting the counter argument first, and then your argument second. Okay, so for some of your papers or topics, that might work really well and flow really naturally. But what I want to point out is there are two alternatives to essay structure. Okay, one may be that you present the argument first and then the counter argument second, so you would flip-flop those two components. You're always going to have your intro first, and then you're always going to have your background second, but then you might want to do argument and then counter argument depending on your topic. The other way to do this is to do your introduction, your background, and then to alternate between counter argument and argument, or argument and counter argument. For some of your topics, those are really well paired and aligned, and so you might want to keep them together and go back and forth, kind of volley between argument and counter argument. So there's three options for your outline here, and I'm going to leave it up to you to decide which is the best for your topic and your argument that you are putting together. The other thing I wanted you guys to notice is that I do have a student model of an outline here so that you can see the expectation that this is not writing in paragraphs. Please do not submit a rough draft of your essay. The rough draft is truly the outline is truly an outline, and so you'll see that there are no paragraphs here. Every once in a while there's full sentences, but for a lot of the time it is just phrases. Make this so that I can understand it, but doesn't necessarily go into a lot of detail. Okay, so you will see this student chose to do it the first way: introduction, background, counter argument with refute, and then argument and supporting evidence, then the conclusion. Okay, so this is a really great, simple example of an outline. It's what I'm expecting, not too much, but just enough so that I can understand. The great thing about creating an outline like this is that if you do this well, you've basically created the framework for your paper. So now all you have to do is go write the paragraphs, which is a really easy way to start the drafting process. The other great thing about doing the outline is that it points out any areas of weakness or gaps. So you may start filling this in and realize that you only have one counter argument, and that's not sufficient for entering this conversation. So you're going to need to go research another counter argument. So the outline can be really helpful in pointing out your weaknesses and gaps as well in your paper. So those are due on Sunday. I look forward to reading those. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help.